Hello everyone, welcome back to my math session of class 9. We are solving the questions of chapter 1 coordinate geometry and chapter 2 polynomials of class 9 mathematics. Today we will solve question number 25. It is important for the students who are this time the textbook has new textbook. This question from your textbook of end of the chapter part. Draw the graph of the following equations. Let's draw the graph today. Students, you know how to draw the graph? I want everyone to, can I get the background of a graph? I think yes, I'm getting a graph page here. So what I will do, I'll draw now x-axis, sorry, first I draw it y-axis, but it is between some line, I don't want that. So take it as on the line I took. On your graph always draw the line on the line, okay, it's always better. So now you put on your graph, make it the arrow mark of all the four sides, write here x and x dash, here you will write y and y dash, and the intersection point we called as origin. Now what we will do, every box will make us 1, so I can write it 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly this side it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and with a negative symbol. Isn't it, students? We'll write with negative 3, 2, 1. And here it is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the y-axis below the origin we say as negative -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Now we will find out the points. How will you find out the points? Students, I draw the graph. Before that I could have share you question number 25, the equations. From the equation we will find the points. What are the equation? Let's write the first part. Y is equals to -3x plus 4. Y is equals to -3x plus 4. The second part also, let's write together in one graph. All the graph means the line will do. 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. And the third part is 5y is equals to 6x minus 10. 5y is equals to 6x minus 10. The last equation is 3y is equals to 6x minus 11. What I told you, 3y is equals to 6x minus 11. 3y is equals to 6x minus 11. These four equations are actually the graph, the straight lines. That straight lines we need to plot on this Cartesian product. Do you know how to plot? For plotting a line we need minimum 2 points. Then only you can draw a line. How to find the 2 points from these equations? Let's see. It's very easy, students. Just give an attention. The first equation says y is equals to -3x plus 4. For the first equation I am drawing a box. This box will write x and y, and we will assume the x value as 0 and find out the value of y. Understand? I said assume the x value is 0. For this equation, if x is equals to 0, then y becomes -3 into 0 plus 4, because I said assume x is equals to 0. So -3 into 0 becomes 0, y becomes 4. Getting it? So x is 0, y value will be 4. Let's take x value is 1. If x value is 1, it will be minus 3 into 1. It becomes minus 3 plus 4. Answer is minus 3 plus 4. Answer is positive 1. So I got for the first equation, the points are 0, 4 and 1, 1. Are you getting it, students? I believe you are understanding this. Let's go for the second equations. For the second equation, we will do the same box and we will write x and y value. This graph we could have done little down, and these things don't write on your graph page. Graph page you have a plain single line white page. The other page, I mean the other page of the graph, like this is your graph book. The other side you do the calculations. This side you do the calculation, and this is your graph book. In this graph page we will draw the graph. Okay, so the second equation you have 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. Let's take x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, what is the value of y? Look, for the second equation it is given 2y is equals to 4 into 0 plus 7. Because I said assume x is equals to 0. Instead of x I am writing 0. So we will write 4 0 is 0 minus 7. Sorry, it is positive, no? So we are getting 2y, not y is equals to 7. It is 2y is equals to 7. So y is equals to 7 by 2. It is coming a fraction. Can I write as 3.5? Because half of 7 is 3.5. So 7 by 2 we can write as 3.5. Now I want to take as minus 1. Because if you will take it positive, it is 7 plus 11. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 by 2. Anyways, if it is minus, it will be minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 by 2 is 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Okay, students? This is 1.5. Similar way, let's go for the third equation. Make the table. I don't want to make the table here because the graph is next to it. I need to draw the graph though. Okay, for this third and fourth I want to draw the box this side. Okay, because the graph may come this way, that's why I am thinking to erase this box. For the other two box I'll write x and y, and I'll write the values. Okay, students? So if in the third equation, if x is equals to 0, I'm talking about the equation third. Okay, this box is for equation third and this box is equation 4. For equation third, if x is equals to 0, it becomes minus 10. Y is equals to minus 10 by 5, that is 5 2 ja minus 2. Y is equals to minus 2. Any doubts how to solve? See, instead of x you will take 0. So 6 and 0, it becomes 0. So the right hand side you have minus 10. 5y is equals to minus 10. Y is equals to minus 10 by 5. That is 5 2 ja 10. Minus 10 is there. So minus 2. Similar way, if x is equals to 1, what we will get? If x is equals to 1, 10 minus 6 is 4. It's minus 4. Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. How much? 5 8 ja 40. Minus 4 by 5. 0 point. y is equals to got understand, y is equals to minus 10 plus 6, that is minus 4. Minus 4 upon 5. If you will multiply with 10, what you will getting? Minus 8 by 10 and 0.8. Oh my god, it will be minus 0.8 because it is minus symbol, isn't it? Yeah, so it is coming minus. Instead of taking 1, if you will take it 5, I think we will get a whole number. Not sure though. If you will take 5, I mean I am taking x is equals to 5. What you will get? If x is equals to 5, 6 5 is 30. Okay, students? If x is equals to 5, 6 5 is 30. So 30 minus 10, 20. 20 by 4, 20 by 5, 5 4 ja. So if x is equals to 5, y is equals to 4. This will be more easier. That's why I took it, or else 0.5 also fine. That's why you have to think before taking the whole numbers or the value of x. Always 0 1 is better, but for this case fraction is coming when you are taking 0 1. So think about any new number, what it will get a whole number to find out on the graph easily. So let's go for the last part of the equation. It is 3y is equals to 6x minus 11. So if we take x is equals to 0, what we are getting? Minus 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 11. So minus 3 3s are 9. 2 is the remainder. 3 6 is 18. 2 is the remainder. 3 6 is 18. 3.67. So 3.7 we are getting. We are getting like that number, so be it. If the x is 1, can you take as 1? Let's take. If x is 1, it will 11 minus 6 is 5. Minus 5 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 minus 5. So it will be minus 3 1 ja 3. 20. 3 7 ja 21. You can write 1.6 or 1.7, both way perfect, because 6 7 you can, the approximately number is 7. Okay. Now after, if you know this thing, that is better. So now after this, after doing the calculation from the equations to the points, here what are the points, students? You see 0 4 xy value, 1 1, this is xy value. Let's find out. The first point is 0 4 1 1. 0 4, this is the first point. 0 4 1 1, this is the second point. Yes students. Now what we will do, we will join and extend. In your ruler, use the ruler to join. Okay. Now this line what you have drawn, this line you will write as y is equals to minus 3x plus 4. This line. Okay. First equation, we found the 2 points and draw the line. First what you will do, points you will plot on the graph, join the 2 points extending both sides, and name the graph. Graph means here the line. The graph name is y is equals to minus 3x plus 4. Next graph, let's see. 0 3.5. From 0 3.5 will be here. Let's change the color for better understanding. This is 3.5, the red one. Minus 1. Minus 1 is here. 1.5. 1.5 will be here. So we are getting a line from the 2 red color. Okay. Use the ruler for drawing this. This red line is actually 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. Okay students. Okay. So the third point we have 0 minus 2. For the third equation you have 0 minus 2. Let's change it. I am doing as yellow. 0 minus 2. 0 is here, minus 2 will be in the base. This is 0 minus 2. Okay students, any doubts? 0 minus 2. Next 5 4. Positive 5 positive 4. It will be here. Positive 4 positive 5. This point. Okay. Positive 4 positive 5. Positive 5 positive 4. It is coming this way. For you, if it is coming differently, you can share with me. This is the 5y is equals to 6x minus 10. The last equation, let's do in which color? We'll do it blue, black, red, orange. Orange is best. Let's take with orange. Now last one, 0 minus 3.6. 0 is here, minus 3.6 will be here. 3.5, like 3, between 3 and minus 3 and minus 4. Midpoint is 3.5. Little more than that. It is called 3.6. So I am getting this orange color point. Then 1 minus 1.3. 1 is here, minus 1.3 will be here somewhere. 1.7 means 2, near to 2. This here. So you can join the line this way. I am getting the points this way. This orange color is what? 3y is equals to 6x minus 11. So this is the way we will represent it on the graph page. It will show the graph this way. Join full page, write the name of the graph or the line. Okay students, thank you. Yes JB, huh?
Hello?
Video, are you sure?